mood na yun. Palaging dating teamers and...
Hello guys, so you will see this annoying. Okay, it's not that girl. Where is she? Okay, this girl, she's so annoying, and she said I have no Wi-Fi. I'm more level up. Tinatalunan ko siya. Hala, nagka-type yan AFK. Yeah. She is so annoying, guys. She's so annoying. And she said, I have no Wi-Fi. And she's so toxic, guys. She's so toxic. Meron yung voice ha. Screen test. She's so annoying.
Ayaw mo, pakita ko sa sample.
She's so annoying. And she's so toxic. And he said, I have no Wi-Fi. Like, I'm more level up. He said, you have no Wi-Fi, you wanna level up. Like, girl, are you? So, that's all by. I mean, no, we will beat this ugly dude. She's so annoying. He's so toxic. That's why I become toxic too. They come in my way. Don't worry, guys. They come in my way. That's not my fault that I died. It's not my fault that I died. No. It's not me. It's not me, guys. It's not me. So look at this, guys. It's my curls. And my cousin. A lot of bacon. Oh! Bro, wanna level up. You are not. Guys, look, I'm more pro than her. Look. Use this video so you will see. Like, girl, look at it. Okay, sorry, I'm lagging. No. Look, guys. No. At least she died. I should share it. Look, guys, look. She's so newbie. And I have, oh my god. Like, girl, see, I am more level up. I should be more level up.
Doon my face, ano ka? Ang alin?
Guys. She's so annoying. Let's beat her. Beating annoying, noob, and toxic, and MM2.
Be, ang musik ka doon mabaw.
Oh! So guys, look at. Okay, got innocent. That's all. Bye, guys.